JXSC Mine Machinery Factory was established in 1985, located in Guangzhou, Jiangxi, China, is an experienced supplier of mining equipment including stone crusher machines, gravity concentration, magnetic separation, feeder equipment, mining laboratory equipment, provides EPC service. Except for manufacturing of the mining equipment, we also can provide engineering consultation, mineral processing experiments, mine design, installation and commissioning, personal training, track service, management of dressing plant, etc. One package service. Make customer wireless whole process, shorten construction period and get profit earlier. We have been accumulating rich experience on various mineral processing plants, covering alluvial gold, lode gold, diamond, copper, manganese, lead, iron, coltan, chrome, silica sand, and so on. Build a cooperate relationship with mine located in more than 60 countries, own a good name in the international market, owing to reliable mining machine quality, reasonable processing flow design and satisfying after-service. We insist the management principle of treat customer as God, satisfying all kinds of equipment requirements from customers, supplying speedy and efficient sales and after-sales services, and letting customers enjoy excellent service in whole cooperation. Our core advantages are as below. 1. Experienced, plus 30 years history factory at mining machinery. 2. Technical engineer support, provide engineer team after sales service. 3. Complete set machine, provide complete set mineral processing equipment. 4. Sample testing free, provide sample testing service in factory lab for free. 5. Solution consulting, provide professional mining solution consulting. 6. Flowchart designing and drawing, provide professional flowchart designing and drawing. 7. Provide engineer door-to-door service for installation,